how to write or add or change your bio on Discord. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end and make sure that you subscribe and like the video. So let's start. You go first and you open Discord. After this guys, when Discord is opening, you will just go down and click here on your profile. Then you will click here to open your user profile. Then you will go to about me here and you will write something. For example, hello, I'm here, and I will for example add emojis like this, and then when I finish I will just click save, and now I add a bio on my Discord account. And that's it guys. I hope these videos have found useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next.